Want to temporarily stop using Instagram? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. Now let's get started. To deactivate your Instagram account temporarily, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Tap Account Center. Then select Personal Details. Tap Account Ownership and Control. Then select Deactivation or Deletion. Tap the account you want to deactivate. Select Deactivate Account. Then tap Continue. Enter your password to confirm, and tap Continue. Choose the reason you want to deactivate your account. Tap Continue. Then tap Deactivate Account to confirm. Your Instagram account will then be temporarily deactivated. You can reactivate your account whenever you're ready by logging back into Instagram. That's all it takes to temporarily deactivate your account on Instagram. If you're looking to permanently delete your Instagram account, check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.